guys! Welcome back to Jinky on Air channel! So today guys, since it's a nice weather, we're going to walk beside the canal. And we will show you guys. Come on, let's go! So ayan guys, we're now on the road going to the canal. Actually guys, hindi yun malayo sa amin, malapit lang. Maybe 3 minutes and we're there. Ayan guys, we're almost there. So here is the way. So here is the parking lot guys, and here where you start. And first guys, I will show you the boats. There are the boats. So ayan guys, andito na kami sa canal, magwo-walk. Madaming nagbabike dito guys. During the corona time, we always come here also to do bicycle. Maganda dito mag-walk ng hapon or mag-ride ng bicycle. Diyan. Ito yung kanal, ito yung bicycle spot. May magandang apartment dyan guys. Look. Later magwo-walk tayo dun sa in front ng apartment. Alam nyo guys, napansin ko may mga taong nakatira dito sa boat na yan. And then nung una pa lang ako dito, I was wondering paano na lang pag may typhoon, hindi sila safe. And then nung medyo matagal na ako dito, tinanong ko yung asawa ko, bakit wala naman ng typhoon na dumarating? And then sabi niya, wala palang typhoon dito sa Europe, kaya pala yung mga nakatira dito is safe sila, wala silang pangamba ba. And mostly sa mga nakatira dito is yung mga taong matatanda na, parang may pension na sila. So ayan guys, madaming nagbabike dito. And ayan guys, may mga apartment dito next din sa kanal guys. Ayan. Alam nyo guys, ang bilis nilang ginawa. Wala pang 1 year tapos na yung mga apartment na yan. And nakikita nyo yan guys. Brand post. Everywhere may mga nakikita ka dito na, alam mo yung fire extinguisher para in case na may sunog, kukunin lang nila dyan. Ayan, may mga paparating din. Ayan, si Angelina at saka yung husband ko. Yan yung mga boat guys. There are even some people coming. Ayan. And then next to this canal guys is also a road, main road I think, dun sa kabila. Ayan. Minsan may mga nagfi-fishing din dito. Ayan guys, look. Nagpa-party sila sa loob ng boat, sa taas. Here is the woods. Yan, ang ganda ng sky guys, blue. Ayan si Angelina and my husband. Ayan. Ang daming mga boat dito guys. one after the other. And then yung mga sasakyan nila, pinapark lang nila dito sa kabilang side. Ayan. May mga nakatira. Ayan. Look at that, guys. Kasi mainit nga yung araw, so kailangan niyang basahin yung kanyang boat para hindi masyadong mainit pag nasa loob siya. Yeah. Really nice guy. For sale na yung boat nila, guys. Ayan. Dito din nila hinuhook up yung para magkaroon sila ng electric, guys, dun sa loob ng boat nila. Nakikita nyo yan, guys. Yan is bumper para daw pag pinark nila yung boat is hindi madadamage yung boat pag tumama sa side, and pag may mga storm, mahangin siya, and then nagwi-wiggle yung mga boat dun sa ibabaw ng tubig. So yan, hindi siya masisira yung mga boat nila. Ayan siya. Ayan, yung iba, guys, lumang-luma na, pero yung iba pinipinturahan and then binibenta. My God, guys, ang mahal kaya ng boat na mga ganito. Yung nakita naming for sale doon is 22,500 euro, pero luma na siya, ni-repaint lang. Both sides nito, guys, meron siyang biking spot. Ayun, may nagbabike din dun sa kabila. And here, guys, where they repairing the boat to make it new again. Like for example, pag ayaw na nila yung boat nila, i-repair nila dito, and then yung may-ari din ata ng building na to, I'm not really sure, sila yung magka-canvas for sailing the boat. And this is the end, guys. So this one, guys, is also the bar where the people walking or bicycle, they get used to drink there for beer or soft drinks or coffee. Yan, really next to the canal. That's the canal view. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching. Bye! my next video.